and welcome to the FIFINE USB Microphone K678 review. So I have it in this box, and it comes out super well. It's packaged very neatly. The microphone itself is very nice and heavy. It's made out of metal and has a perfect stand. This is good for starting out with ASMR channels because you already have a stand. The microphone also has different features like a mute option in the front and the back. You can make the microphone louder with the top, and then you can also make the speakers louder too if you do choose to put your earbuds or something through the bottom ear. And from testing out this microphone, it's really good for noise compression. There's a noise compression right inside itself. So if you're like in a noisy place or you keep the fan on or the air conditioning on, you'll be able to prevent that sound from going through because of the microphone adjustment settings, which is really good for ASMRs because you want zero white noise, you want noise cancellation, and this is perfect. You don't have to add any soundproof to your rooms or anything. And it's also very tiny. I think if you're looking for a microphone that's well worth it and nicely done, I would pick up this microphone because other microphones like the Blue Yeti is over $100, but this one costs less than $100, so it's great for beginners if you're not sure if you want to start an ASMR yet. Also, this microphone is still good if you want to work on podcasts or just record YouTube videos, especially if you just want to game with friends on Discord and you need a good microphone within the box. You get instructions on how to use it. It's super easy to set up. You just plug it in, and I can show you, but you can go in Audacity and just set the microphone to it. You also get a nice note in your box. You can access their Facebook page for any questions you have about the microphone, and you can also sign up for a 2-year warranty, which is great. It also comes with this stand if you don't want to use the actual stand it comes with. You can use this instead to connect it to a microphone stand if you have that and prefer it. That's usually used for like live streaming and stuff like that if you're into it. And it also comes with this USB port. So if I plug this USB into my computer, and this into the microphone, there we go. I can show you how to use it with Audacity for an example. So, like I said, connecting it on Audacity is really easy. You just go up to the top, select the microphone under the recording, and then you can start recording with the microphone. So that is very easy to use. The FIFINE mic is really good for that, the K678 FIFINE microphone. So next, we're gonna go through testing with the microphone. So you can talk somewhat far away, or you can talk super close into it, depending on what type of ASMR you want to make. Also, you may want to turn up the microphone volume at the back. So if I turn it up, you'll hear me louder and louder and louder. But the only issue is you might hear white noise when you turn it up super loud. So you're going to want to turn it down. And I'm not using anything special to change the volume or sound or anything. You can edit your sound in Audacity or Adobe Premiere Pro, depending on which you prefer to use. sound. There are special effects and types of ways to edit that out. But if you're making ASMRs with this microphone, you should be able to just talk super closely into it. And notice how you can have an angle with it too. But next, I want to try out some ASMR triggers using this microphone. Also, the only downside to this microphone is it's not binaural, so if I talk on this side, you won't hear me in just one ear. And if I talk on this side, you won't hear me in another ear. Which, I mean, if you're a starting out ASMRtist, it's not super necessary to have a microphone like that. Just one microphone like this would work fine. Also, it shows it hears you from the side to the front, so it won't hear you as well on the back side of the microphone. But it's important to talk from the front, where the microphone and the earbuds speakers setting on the back. That is the back of the microphone. Thank you so much for watching this review of the FIFINE K678 microphone. I highly recommend it for starting out ASMRtists, or even if you work on ASMR professionally. It's always nice to have a small, nice working microphone for you to use at all times with an already built-in stand. And